Like many good crafts, this one starts at the Dollar Tree. So if you have a wreath hanging around like I did, and if you picked up that nautical bow from Dollar Tree like I did, you're going to like this video. I used mostly scraps that I had, and Dollar Tree has this ribbon. It had the burlap ribbon. It has seashells. So it has the twine that I used. You can totally do this. This was probably less than $5 for sure because I already had the shells. All right, so enjoy my video. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend.